Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious hush puppies, perfect for any meal. First, let's gather all your essential ingredients for this classic southern side dish. You will need 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Also, prepare 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 large egg, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 1/3 cup of finely chopped onion. Now it is time to combine our ingredients and create the perfect batter. In a large bowl, thoroughly whisk together the cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cayenne pepper until they are completely blended. In a separate bowl, gently whisk the egg and buttermilk together. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, add the finely chopped onion, and stir everything until just combined. Do not overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine, ensuring your hush puppies remain tender. With your batter ready, let's prepare the oil for frying. Select a heavy-bottomed pot or a Dutch oven, making sure it is deep enough to safely accommodate the oil. Pour in about 3 inches of vegetable oil. Place it over medium-high heat and slowly bring the temperature up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a deep fry thermometer to ensure precise temperature control. This step is vital for achieving that perfect golden brown, crispy exterior without overcooking the inside. Now for the fun part, frying your hush puppies to golden perfection. Carefully drop small spoonfuls of batter, about 1 tablespoon each, into the hot oil. Work in batches to avoid overcrowding the pot, which would lower the oil temperature and prevent even cooking. Fry the hush puppies for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, turning them occasionally until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color on all sides. They will puff up nicely as they cook, becoming light and fluffy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.